Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I'm just here to show you a quick haul. I went to Dollar Tree, of course, and there's this lady on Instagram. She has the best Dollar Tree. She has these mugs that shape like, is it R2-D2? Like I think Star Wars figures and maybe the Minions and stuff like that. I've not seen that at any Dollar Tree that I have been in, but she has them. She has the best Dollar Tree. I think it's in Indiana. Don't hold me to that, but yeah, she has the best one. But I'm just gonna show you all these little things that I got, and I'm just gonna show you all these real quick because I already have these, and this was a repurchase, and I haven't even used all of them. I forgot I had them. How about that? Let me see. I just want to get out the. Well, you know what? Let me just get out all the. Let me just pull this all out. Well, let me start right here. This is one of those light things, and I bought it because I wanted to see how it looks. But of course, I need a battery. I need a screwdriver to take this little this little screw out, so that I could put batteries in here. And of course, I can't find my screwdriver. Right? Yeah. So I'm gonna try that later, and here are the batteries that I bought for it. So I'll try that later. I got these vase fillers. I got the one with the iridescent white and the silver. I just leave them right there. I purchased this LED light. I got it in yellow because I'm going to make a gold diva wreath, and I want to see if these lights will look good in there. And besides, that's my sister's favorite color is yellow. So, and if it looks good, if I can do it and it looks good, that'll be her Christmas present. I picked up these snowflakes, and again, I want to try my hand at making, oh my goodness, y'all know I can never remember names of anything when I want to do this. The wands. That's why I got these. I think I got 2 packs of those. That size and a smaller size. I don't see it if I do. Oh, here it is. And I'm throwing them. And here's a smaller one, so you can see the size difference. So I want to try and make wands. I did pick up another clear LED light because I do want to do one in purple and one in red. I don't know if I'm going to be able to or not, but that's the plan. My plans rarely go like this, like in my head, so we're gonna see about it. I bought these mini glass containers. I got the what they say, both of them say mini, but this is the super mini. We'll say the mini and the super mini. So I got those. Oh, and I did not know my Dollar Tree had this. This is glass paintbrush, and they had different colors. They had about 5 or 6 different colors, and I started to pick them all up. And I said, Tasha, are you really gonna be doing this on some glass? And the answer was no. So I just picked up one. Like that ever stopped anything, right? And I picked a couple of these up, and of course I picked these up to blend with, to use to blend my inks with. And these last few things are some little beauty items that I've wanted to try, or some things that I had anyway. One thing I've had before, and I just purchased it again. This is a repurchase. And this is from Dollar Tree, of course. It was $1. And it's one of those little facial brushes. Did I leave the things in there? Yeah. See, this one still has the batteries in it. There we go. And I like this little berry color. And I think if you were doing some type of basket, like a spa basket, I think this would be a real good item to put in your spa basket. I got this thing too, and these, by the way, are beauty items, of course. This one says a shadow switching sponge, And instead of having to use a different brush when you're doing your eyeshadow, you just rub this over your brush over this, and it'll remove the eyeshadow from your eyeshadow brush. And it seems like I've seen this type of sponge somewhere before. I just can't put my finger on it. But okay, we can do that. I can try that. I got this thing called Soft Lips, and this too I think would be good in a spa day basket. You know, who doesn't like soft lips? And I'm talking about your actual lips, not this brand. But we're gonna see. How do you open it, y'all? You know what? Am I going to embarrass myself on camera? It looks like it. Okay. There we go. Here we go. Okay. It smells good. It has a nice slip. So if you want to, you can try that. Soft Lips. I got this thing right here too. This thing basically is a pimple popper or blackhead remover. So I got this. I'm actually gonna use it on my daughter. Her skin, she went to the dermatologist, and it's not a dermatologist, she went to a facial person, and they used something like this to get the blackheads out of her face. So I'm gonna try that too. And the last thing I picked up from Dollar Tree was this thing. This is a silicone sponge, and what is it called? Gem. And you're supposed to use this with foundation. It's soft. I don't know how it would actually work, because I don't know if this would push the product around or what it would do. But I've always wanted to try one ever since they came out with them. So I went on and got it. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else I need to show you guys? Hold on just a second. Let me look real quick. And the answer was yes. There are some things that I need to show you guys. Let me put these beauty things over here, because I am going to do a video for my beauty channel, which I just totally neglect. But what I did was I got a 60% off coupon in my email for Joanns. So I picked up a couple of things online, and I went and picked them up. And then I went in the store. When I went in the store, I picked up a few things. Not much at all, I promise you. Not a lot. Okay, let me show you what I got online first. I think it was this and this. Okay, this is what I got online first. Last time I was trying to get this, they were sold out. So I got this little resin tray right here, or was it a little silicone mold for resin? So I got this. And I picked up this amazing this resin. So I got this for 60% off, and this right here was already on sale for like less than $5. So that was cool. And I think I paid like $8 for that. And what I picked up when I got in the store was one fabric tack, and I did get 60% off of this because I took my coupon with me. And I picked up this right here on the clearance aisle. I picked it up because I thought I was going to use it on the front of my junk journal, but I'm not going to, because I'm going to show you why. Just a second, let me get it together here, get it out the bag. Okay, when I went to Joann's, I said, well, let me go and see if there is some fabric back in the bag, like, you know, the little cuts that they do, so I can go ahead on and make this cover for my junk journal, even if I don't do too much more to it. I at least want to finish it with you guys. And I found this fabric right here. It is so pretty. Look at this. This is why I'm not going to use this thing right here as any type of embellishment or anything, because it doesn't need it. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this like Isn't this what you would think of as when you say boho? This is so pretty. It's only on this part of the fabric. The rest of the fabric is just like this blue jean-ish type material, or this blue jean-ish color. So I think what I can do is make the cover out of this part right here, and then on the inside I can cover the inside with the rest of this. So that's the plan, and I want to go ahead on and actually do it because I've been talking about finishing up my junk journal with you guys for how long now? A year. Seemed like a year if it ain't been a year. And so I think that is it for right now. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.